just got this in the schmails. It is a body knob combined up. So this is a trimmer, all right? So you trim the hairs on your body. So let's go ahead and we'll open her up and take a look and see what we got. It's got some important information in here, right? Set that down. This is already falling out. This looks like the mustache trimmer. Set that down. It does come with this, right? It's got a product activation code on it. You're probably going to need some instructions and more instructions. So here it is. Bam. Let's take a look at it. Let's look at the unit itself. So here's the unit itself. There we go. Looks pretty nice, I gotta say. Yeah, check it out. Here's the on button. Let's see if it's got anything going on. Oh, look, it's already working. All right, so there is the body of it. It has this little doohickey here. Let's turn it on and see what that does. I think it's pulling this head up a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not quite sure. But let's go ahead and we'll turn it off for right now. Just like that. All right, so let's set that down. It does come with this, which I do believe is one of those nose clippers. So you can do your nose, right? This, I think, is so you can do, close in kind of thing right there, right? Put that there. It does come with these, which are like guards. So, and there's little things in here that you slide these into, like that. And then, like if you're cutting your beard, it makes it a certain length. I think those are for like hair. That would be for your hair. And then this one is a little bit closer. If I can get it on there. And this might be more for like your beard, which we could try. So let's set that down. It does come with a USB-C, and it's got a little oil thing in there. And I think there's a couple little cleaning things here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Get rid of that. So this is like I think it's like a little oil. I'm not sure. Here is your little cleaner here, so you could, clean that thing off. USB-A to USB-C. So you put this on like that and then plug it into your block. It doesn't come with a block, okay? It does not come with a block. So you're going to need to have a block or some system. Now you can stick everything in here. Look at this. This is kind of nice, right? You can slide it all in there. Keep all your stuff right inside of there. Your heads and everything. And bam, Bob's your uncle. So now you got your little unit. Oh, forgot to put that in there. Stick that in there like that. And yeah, that's it right there. Bam, done. So that's the unboxing. Now we just have to, I do need a shave, don't I? We may have to try this out and see what we think. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I use this to cut my beard. Peace out.